The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the 6 screws securing the back panel to the glove box. Remove the glove box back panel. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch first, then press to lock the top. Reclip the panel back into place. Reinstall the screws. While pulling the dampener cord down, partially close the glove box to re-engage the stoppers and then reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.